Hey guys, welcome back to D Plus Autos. Today we're diving into something every car owner should know, understanding OBD2 codes. If your check engine light has ever come on and you had no clue why, this video is for you. OBD2 stands for Onboard Diagnostics version. It's a universal system used in most vehicles from 1996 onwards. It monitors your car's engine and emission system, and when something goes wrong, it triggers a code. OBD2 codes are triggered when sensors detect issues like engine misfires, oxygen sensor problems, or even a loose gas cap. These codes help mechanics and DIYers quickly find the root cause. To read the code, you'll need an OBD2 scanner. Just plug it into the port, usually located under the dashboard. The scanner will display a code like P0301 or P0171. OBD2 codes have 5 characters. The first letter tells you the system P means powertrain. The numbers give more detail. For example, P0301 means a misfire in cylinder 1. Some common codes include P0171, System 2 Lean, Bank 1, P0420, Catalyst System Efficiency below threshold, P0300, Random Multiple Cylinder Misfire. We'll break down each of these in future videos. If you get a code, don't panic. Research it, fix what you can, and consult a pro if needed. Fixing minor issues early can save you big money. If you found this helpful, smash that like button, subscribe, and share with fellow car lovers. Drop your questions or OBD2 codes in the comments. I'll help decode them. Don't forget to check out more content at D Plus Auto's YouTube channel.